Alright mate, what are we doing?
Well, g'day everyone and welcome to today's episode.
Yep.
Which is going to be a bit weird, I think. Well, we're on our way to Byron's.
Yep.
And we get this message from Byron saying, there's a burger that's been named after me. Go and have one. It's a breakfast burger on the way to his place. So,
Yep.
you know, we're now 20 minutes out of our way and we still haven't found this bloody burger. So anyway, we'll let you know when we're there and see if this brekkie burger's any good. It'd want to be Byron.
And there it is there, in that corner.
Right, okay. Where do I park?
I think we just went past the car park. It was on that corner there.
Byron? Bloody hell, Byron.
Yeah, bloody Byron.
Unreal UFC card.
We're here, where are we?
Well, we're at the Pink Café,
Yep.
Armadale.
Yep, something
Or
like
Kelmscott.
that. Kelmscott, I think
Kelmscott.
it is. Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
I'm from the north, so I don't know
Yeah,
where
yeah.
anything is down here.
Well, they sponsor Byron for some of the demo derby stuff.
Oh, okay, is that what it is? Yeah. Well, we found the infamous Byron burger.
Yes.
We got big smiles when we asked for a Byron burger from the ladies behind the counter, and
Yeah.
that was awesome. That was just the best thing ever. So,
And apparently Byron just orders his own burger all the time.
yeah.
Which,
I mean, if it's, well, it is a burger, and if it's been named after him, it was obviously his favourite burger. So,
Yeah,
it stands to reason that he's going to order it every
yeah,
time.
yeah,
doesn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Anyway.
sounds good.
Byron, there's a lot riding on this, mate. This burger had better
Yeah, it better be bloody
Better be
good.
bloody
It
good,
better
mate.
be bloody good.
Better be
Yeah.
awesome, in fact.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, let's check this thing out. Looks pretty good.
It does look very good. It's also hash brown, egg, bacon, tomato sauce,
Cheese.
and cheese. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's got everything.
All right.
Nah, let's get stuck into it.
Yeah, it's going to get messy, so turn the
Yeah,
camera
yeah, we'll turn it. So what do you think?
off. Not bad.
Yeah,
Pretty good,
yep.
Byron. I think the empty plates is,
Yeah.
that's the review right there.
It definitely got finished up quite quickly.
Yep. Now that we've got to go and see what he was distracting us from.
There, yeah. There, yep.
All right, let's go.
Yep, that's...
All right, so we're full of Byron burger.
Yep, definitely.
We're out of
Over here at
Byron's.
Byron's.
And Byron's, you know, he's prepared a exploded diagram of the front end of the XC for us.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and
Morning, Byron.
g'day everyone, how you going? Yeah, she's you got to remember what size sockets you need for these things, because I've been playing with a few jack cars lately, so you only need a 10, 12 and 14.
Yeah. Yeah. So what do you say, you're finally playing with a real car again?
Yeah, and I realised how much I didn't want to do it now.
Well,
it's all good though.
You know, you can't go back from that. So, you know, you're in. You're in now, buddy. You're in.
And I have to double check, but it's the strut arm on the front.
Yeah.
And I was hoping my 15/16, well, 24mm ratchet spanner would work.
Yeah, yeah.
It's about, I think it's probably 32mm.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, but
Well-
I'm just stripping this side off at the moment to do a practice for the video for the other side.
Yeah, cool. Awesome. No, Lee Byron's for that.
Yep.
And, hey,
And we're going to go get
Fucking-
some more parts, so yeah.
bloody
why
hell,
not?
workers around here making all this noise.
Yeah, yeah.
You wouldn't be used to someone working.
No. Oh, that was a bit of a dig.
Blow. Okay, we're out of here.
Yeah,
Fuck
yeah.
you, Byron.
Yeah.
Right, so we're back with our parts. Byron keeps sending us away. I don't think he likes us anymore.
Did you get that long wait I sent you for? And the box of sparks?
Oh, look, it's with the Volkswagen radiator.
And the left-handed. Which Volkswagen?
There was only bugs and combis back in those days.
Oh yeah, combis.
I might be giving away me age. Well, this is a rain in the arse. It is dad joke day, yes. And look at that, you could box up that genuine 1974 road grind, I reckon, and sell it to some idiot.
Yeah, just you hand out one free one with every shirt or something.
Yes. Do you want some smut from the panel van? Some road smut? So I wonder what blew out through this bonnet. Maybe a piston to make a hole like that? No. You want to see what happened to this bonnet? Go back in Byron's feed a couple of videos and you'll see, and also the How Ridiculous Boys had something to do with this as well. So yeah, and this is Byron's trophy.
All right, Byron, what are we doing, mate?
Getting it lubed up.
Oh, fair enough.
The dirty job of just packing the wheel bearings. So
got to make sure they're nice and good.
yeah,
Don't want them
just
falling off.
want to make sure it's penetrated between the rollers there.
Yep.
Squeezing out between there.
Sweet.
There's special tools for this, but because I'm so used to doing it like this, I'll just continue it.
Yep.
And then we've got your new rotors on. The brake lines, yes, it's hanging down for now, but we've got some brand new ones to throw on there,
Awesome.
which will replace those. Then you should be rolling again. We just got to get a wheel alignment done.
Yep. No, fair enough.
So, but the inner drag links are replaced. All that bushing's all done. The only thing I'm not happy with was that lower lower ball joint. Sorry.
Yeah.
The castle nut on that where the hole goes through. Yeah, drill it out a bit bigger. And the shock absorbers at the bottom, that little nut on there seemed a bit dodgy, but concrete warranty, mate.
Yep, fair enough.
And back here as well, which is awesome.
So Byron really wants to call me a few choice words right now, because my car's taking up his time, which sucks. But yeah, no, we're getting there, aren't we, mate? Awesome. Alright guys, car's all fixed, suspension's been all done. We've done a wheel alignment, but we weren't far out, so that was great. And that's it. So awesome job, Byron. And yeah, perfect, mate. Appreciate it. And oh, you can't a beer, buddy. And yeah, we'll catch up shortly.